Let's look at how to share a meeting recording with an external person. I'm Kelly from the 365 Training Hub. Let's take a look. I'm in Teams, I've gone to chat, and here's a list of all my meeting chats. I have a recording here which I'd like to share with the external people who were part of the meeting. I'll go down to View Recap, and from here we can see the meeting recording itself. I can see the transcript. I can choose to download the transcript and share that as a Word document. That's a separate thing. To share the recording itself, if I go to Share and Copy Link, I don't have access to the permissions. I actually want the link where I can share this with an external party. I'm going to go to Watch in Browser. This opens up the location where this file is stored on SharePoint. And from here I can click to share, and I can send an email directly from this screen. I can type in the external email address here, go down to the cog settings, and here you can see that this will share it with anyone and doesn't require a sign-in. I can also select that people can't download it, and I can set an expiry date as well. I can add a message and that will send the email directly from this SharePoint site. Alternatively, I can go Share and Copy Link, go to Settings, check the permissions here, and then I can copy the link and open up Outlook, send an email that way if that's easier.